Hello everyone. Today, I'll walk you through everything from signing up for Bybit to depositing and trading futures, explained simply for beginners. First, let's look at the procedure for joining Binance. Please install a Bybit mobile app on your phone. After the installation finishes, open the app. Tap the Sign Up Login button at the bottom of the screen to begin. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on Sign Up. You will now be asked to select your nationality. After you've selected your nationality, simply tap Register Now at the bottom. You can choose to register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. In the referral code section, enter SKY333 to receive a 20% fee discount and extra bonus rewards. Once the code is entered, a message will pop up confirming that your exclusive rewards have been activated. At the bottom, tick the agreement box. Then tap Sign Up Now to move forward. To complete the security check, slide the puzzle to the right. Now, enter the verification code that was just sent to your email or phone. You will now be prompted to create a password. Your password needs to be at least 8 digits long and must include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Once you're all set, tap Sign Up Now to finish your registration. Your Bybit account has now been created successfully. Next, let's proceed with KYC verification. You need to complete this verification to enable essential features like deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Tap Verify My Identity to get started. First, select the country where you are currently residing. Then, proceed directly to the ID verification step. Choose the specific type of identification you're going to submit. For the sake of this guide, we will be using a passport. Get your ID ready and tap Continue. Tap Continue once more to keep moving forward. Carefully align your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. Next, the app will lead you through the facial verification process. Just move your face or blink as instructed to complete the verification. And that's it. Your identity verification submission is now complete. The review process usually takes about an hour to be finalized. Once it's approved, you'll see your account status change to verified. Now, let's make your account even safer by setting up additional security. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right area. Open the security menu. We will enable Google two-factor authentication for stronger protection. Tap Activate to begin the process. If the app asks, go ahead and complete the email or phone verification step first. The Google Authenticator setup screen will now appear. Install the Google Authenticator app, and tap Continue. You will see a setup key displayed right there on the screen. Make sure to copy that setup key. Now, open your Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon and select. Enter a setup key. For the account name, type Bybit. Paste the setup key you just copied into the key input field. A 6-digit code labeled Bybit will now appear. Copy this code and return to the Bybit app. Tap Next, then enter the 6-digit code into the field provided. Once confirmed, your Google Authenticator setup is officially complete. Secondly, I will show you how to deposit assets into your Bybit account. Bybit offers several different ways to fund your account, so you can choose what works best for you. In this tutorial, we'll be using the on-chain transfer method to move your crypto. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on Assets. Inside the Assets section, you'll notice two different types of wallets. The funding wallet is what you'll use for all your deposits and withdrawals. The Unified Trading Wallet, on the other hand, is where all your actual trading happens. To start the funding process, make sure to select the funding wallet first. Then tap Deposit. From the list of options, choose Deposit Crypto to proceed. Now, pick the specific cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit. Most users prefer to choose USDT for this step, as it's the most common. After selecting the coin, you need to choose the network for the transfer. For many users, the Tron TRC20 network is the most popular and cost-effective choice. Once you've made your selections, your unique deposit address will be generated automatically. Copy the deposit address displayed on the screen. Now, you'll need to switch over to the other exchange or your personal wallet where your funds are currently held. On that platform, find and select the send or withdraw option. Be sure to select the on-chain transfer method for this transaction. Pick the exact same cryptocurrency that you previously selected on Bybit. Paste your Bybit deposit address into the recipient address field. It's very important to double-check that the network matches the one you chose on Bybit. Enter the total amount you wish to transfer. Then, tap Withdraw to start the transfer process. After a brief processing period, the funds will show up in your Bybit funding wallet. Finally, let's take a detailed look at how futures trading works on Bybit. Before placing your first futures trade, you need to transfer your funds to the trading wallet. Start by tapping on Funding in your Assets menu. Then, select Transfer to begin moving your funds. Make sure the transfer direction is set from Funding Account to Unified Trading Account. Choose the specific coin you want to transfer. Enter the exact quantity you wish to send as well. Tap Confirm to proceed with the transfer. The coins will be moved to your Unified Trading Account shortly. Now, let's head over to the Futures Trading section. Tap the Trade button located in the center of the bottom menu. At the very top of the screen, switch the tab over to Futures. The Futures Trading window will now appear on your screen. First, tap the icon in the top left corner. From the list, select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Next, press this button to set your margin mode. In isolated mode, only the margin specifically allocated to that position is used. In cross mode, your entire margin balance is shared across all your active positions. For most beginners, isolated mode is definitely the safer option. If you press the button right next to it, you can set your leverage. Leverage can be set as high as 100 times. Higher leverage increases your potential profits, but it also raises your risk significantly. If you're new to futures trading, I strongly recommend using lower leverage. If you look here, you can check your available margin. Tap here to choose your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately based on the current market price. A limit order allows you to place an order at a specific price you choose. Enter your desired order price and the quantity you want to trade. Below that, it's time to choose your position direction. Select long if you expect the price to rise in the future. Select short if you expect the price to fall. Tap positions at the bottom to view all your active trades. Click here to see the specific details of each position. Unrealized P&L displays your current real-time profit or loss. Entry price is the price at which you opened your position. Mark price represents the current market price. Leak price is the liquidation price. If the market reaches this price, your position is automatically liquidated. If you press the TPSL button, you can set up a take profit and stop loss. Finally, press the Close By button when you want to exit the position. Market closes your position immediately at the current market price. Limit is a method of terminating the trade at a specific price you set. If you press Confirm, all positions will be terminated. Today, we learned how to sign up for Bybit and how to trade gifts in detail. Don't forget, you have to sign up through the link at the bottom of the video to lock in your exclusive fee discount. Thank you so much for watching.